Hello, my dear children. Today we will learn about our body. We will learn about good touch and bad touch. First, you need to learn that you are special and your body belongs to you. Let's learn about good touch and bad touch. A good touch is a safe touch, while a bad touch is an unsafe touch. First, we need to learn that what does touch mean? It is an act of touching someone or something. Touch gives feeling like sad, afraid, angry or happy. बेटा जब भी कोई हमें टच करता है तो या तो हमें बुरा लगता है या गुस्सा आता है या हम डर जाते हैं और या हम खुश होते हैं. Right? So as in our body we have different parts and we have parts of our body which are good to touch. Some parts are okay to touch and other parts are bad to touch. My dear children, there are parts of our body which we might not like people to touch, and these parts are face, shoulders, tummy, thighs and feet. Let me make it more clear that the parts of our body which are covered with the swimsuit are private parts which are bad to touch. Right? So, जो भी हम स्विम सूट पहनते हैं और उससे हमारी बॉडी के जो पार्ट्स कवर होते हैं वो हमारे प्राइवेट पार्ट्स होते हैं. राइट? एंड प्राइवेट पार्ट्स शुड नॉट बी सीन और टच्ड बाय एनीवन. Your body belongs to you, my dear children, and nobody is allowed to see or touch your private parts. Now let's see which touch is a good touch. A good touch can be a hug or kiss from your parents or grandparents. आपके अगर पेरेंट्स या ग्रैंड पेरेंट्स आपको हग करते हैं, आपको किस करते हैं, मीन्स इट्स अ गुड टच. A good touch can be when your parents changes your clothes. A good touch can be a pat on your back from your teacher when he or she says good job. If a teacher appreciates you by patting on your back, means it's a good touch. A good touch can be shaking hands or giving a high five. When you shake hands with your friends or relatives or you give high five, it's a good touch, dear children. And when your doctor examines your body in the presence of your parents, it also counts as a good touch. And when your parents help you in taking bath, it is also a good touch. So my dear children, all these are the safe touches and do not harm you. Now let's know about the bad touches. A bad touch when someone pinches you on purpose or touches your private parts. If someone touches you in wrong way, means it's a bad touch. And it is bad if that touch makes you feel scared or nervous. बेटा अगर आपको कोई गलत तरीके से टच करता है जिससे आप डर जाते हो या आप अनकंफर्टेबल महसूस करते हो, then it is a bad touch. A bad touch is also when someone touches you on your body where you do not want to be touched. And when someone kicks, pinches, hits or slaps you, it is also a bad touch. These touches are unsafe touches and can harm you. Now I I will tell you about the safety rules that you need to follow when you feel unsafe or uncomfortable. So, the first thing is you should say no when someone tries to touch you or you feel unsafe. Tell the person you don't like it and you do not want to be touched. Run away fast and never stay alone with that person ever again. You should yell and tell your mama and papa about it. You can also tell it to the person whom you trust. You can tell this to the person who come in your safe circle. Let me tell you about your safe circle. Your mother, father, grandfather, grandmother, and your teacher comes in your safe circle. My dear children, the people comes in your safe circle always love you and protect you. So let's take a recap. What should we do when we feel unsafe? Number 1, we should say no when you do not want to be touched or feel unsafe. Number 2, yell and tell your parents about it. Number 3, run away from that person and never be alone with that person ever again. Number 4, tell about it to the person who come in your safe circle. So my dear children, be smart and be safe. Love you all. Take care. Bye bye.